All right, we're on the Western High School's JROTC's drone practice. They just finished their first competition, and I'm really excited about what we're about to get into here in a few minutes. When we arrive, we're going to be doing an AAR for what happened with the competition, and then immediately getting into the events, practicing for the events. A lot of the things that we're doing really is about familiarization and organizing the teams and finding out their strengths and weaknesses within the individuals. But the main part of the events are a teamwork event, which I think is the coolest one. Each person does different things, right? But basically in this event here is a navigator and a pilot. The navigator helps navigate the pilot where he's supposed to go, sometimes through obstacles that the pilot can't actually see. So that's creating a trust in each other. And one thing that I've been using to help them with this, which is crazy because I didn't think it was going to work out the way that it was, but when I saw them practicing it took me back to flying helicopters. You know, when I'd be doing dust landings and stuff in or wherever, Afghanistan or just back home. And there would be times where I'm landing this helicopter and I can't see where I'm going, and I'm literally only landing with the voice of the guys behind me. And as I'm coming in, I have a little bit of a visibility at the bottom, you know, of my chin bubble, but for the most part, it's just cues from all the other people. So it's that kind of stuff, just kind of simplified in a little $100 drone. And so communication is huge. You know what I'm saying? I have a car looking for some initiative, which you guys are great at. I was talking about y'all yesterday. And walking into the class, I told him, I was like, dude, I promise you, we walk in here, these kids are going to be doing stuff. I don't know what they're going to be doing, but they're going to be doing all kinds of stuff. And sure, they did it. All right, so just real quick, what I want to do is, this AAR real quick. I'm not saying that we're going to get too much out of it, right? But I want to be able to have like a starting point of where we want to go, where we want to take this. You know what I'm saying? So start taking these notes, but how did you guys feel going into it?
Oh, we were so confident, and then we got down.
You were confident?
Oh, yeah.
After a week and a half of practice? Like your style, bro.
It was more like 2 weeks. But yeah.
2 weeks, all right.
I would say I was a little nervous, but I thought we were going to do well because like some of us, like me and then CISO, we were like at Raider practice most of the week. But once we got there, we locked in, we talked it out with our team, and then we performed.
I came in with my boots on, dust on the cuff, eyes on the front. Mama said, boy, keep moving. When the night got mean, I don't run. Saw my name in the hard rain, saw my fear in the chain link shake. Still I stood in the fire line, still I took what the pressure gave. Hear that stomp in the floorboards, hear that clap like a war drum call. We've been bent, but we won't fold. We've been knocked down, still we won't fall. Marching on, marching on. We don't break, we move along. Marching on, marching on. Hear the whole block sing this song. Marching on, from the ash we rise up strong. Marching on. This is bigger than me, got scars where the old days live.
We're gonna show them the drone stuff and how all this stuff works. Then I'm gonna turn around and show them, you know, these guys are all like young kids that are gonna be starting military careers soon. You know, I'm gonna talk to them about the value of going into like, you know, intelligence, and I'm gonna show them an intelligence targeting dashboard.
Oh, hell yeah.
That we use to track bad guys all over the world. Okay, solid. All right, bro, let's do it.
All right, I'll see you soon.
Okay, you got it, buddy. Bye.
That's dope, dude. Hell yeah.
We don't break, we move along.
What charges do you get for flying more than 400 feet?
Well, I heard a story recently of a guy flying. He was flying his FPV drone, having a great time, living his life. And he flew the drone, and he flew over the runway of Fort Lauderdale. Everything's all fun and games. He flies it back, ha ha ha. And then a few minutes later, the cops came and got arrested for terrorism.
Oh. What the frick?
I thought you were going a way different direction. I was like, bold, bold.
Every step is a yes to life. Marching on, we don't break, we move along. Marching on, hear the whole block sing this
I work for Vetted Security Solutions, so it's a private company. We just finished Rolling Loud. Yeah, I know you guys think that's great, right? Rolling Loud. It's an amazing concert. We were there. We deployed our technology there as a test, and we were very successful because we were able to not only see SUASs, but also vector in law enforcement into specific zones and areas near the site. That gave us the opportunity to identify threats, right? The goal is for them to find the source of that SUAS and eliminate that threat, whether that is mitigating the SUAS or identifying the source of who or what is flying it. So this system allows you to map that all geospatially and pinpoint that threat vector, not only from the SUAS, but also the source, which is the controlling device.
It's crazy. You remember we were talking about this? I was like, and I told the colonel over at Western High School this already. I told the colonel, I was like, yo, I am blown away and I apologize. My ego, dude, I really thought that I was gonna have to tell these kids how to live and how to move and how to walk and how to think and all these things. Yo, they are switched on. Their level of initiative is like, it's higher than most adults that I've seen. It's insane. And they're 16 years old. Some of them less than that. It's awesome. It's awesome to see.